Welcome to Highland Gleanns, where urban connectivity meets budget-friendly, simple living homes. Nestled on Mulberry Street in Dallas, Oregon, you will find green, sustainably resourced Fowler-built townhomes and single-level detached homes, all featuring quality construction and with multiple floor plans to choose from. Enjoy fully landscaped front yards and homes with just the right amount of space. This one-level floor plan features high ceilings, a flowing, open design, and an abundance of natural light. Choose from many optional upgrades to make the home your own, including granite or quartz countertops, Shaker soft-close cabinets in 5 colors, and efficient kitchen layouts with stainless appliances, plus a pantry. The main-level primary bedroom suite is a relaxing retreat with double closets and a well-appointed ensuite bath. You'll find a convenient laundry room, plus an office or flex space, and another bedroom, plus a full guest bath. The private fenced backyard with a covered patio is perfect for year-round outdoor living. You'll also enjoy the newest in fresh air systems for healthy living. Both 2- and 3-bedroom plans, or also including an office, are available in 3 kitchen layouts. You can also choose from new construction move-in ready or in-progress townhomes. 9-foot ceilings and waterproof luxury vinyl plank flooring create an inviting living space. Choose from soft-closed Shaker-style cabinets in 5 amazing colors, plus a main-level powder room. Heading upstairs, you'll find a privately located primary bedroom with an ensuite bath, plus 2 more bedrooms and a full guest bath. Enjoy low-maintenance side yards with cedar fencing and a gate. The fully finished garages are available as single or oversized with a side door. Work from home? All Fowler homes are internet ready, and you can pick a plan that includes an office. From the covered front porch, head inside and discover another townhome floor plan option. But whichever plan is best for you, all are energy efficient and affordable, with thoughtfully designed kitchen layouts. Upstairs, you'll find a generously sized primary suite with high ceilings, a dual sink vanity, and separate shower, plus a large walk-in closet. You'll find another large bedroom, plus a full bath, and a convenient laundry area. Multiple optional upgrades are available, and you'll enjoy no HOA fees. Living here, you're close to Dallas amenities, including golf, walking trails, shopping, restaurants, an aquatic center, dog park, food carts, sport fields, and more. If you're not quite ready, reserve a lot for a future Fowler Homes property. We welcome you to become our newest owner in this amazing Fowler Homes Dallas community. For more information, please contact the team at Premier Property Group at 503-776-0858.